Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you all, well, majority of the palettes that I've gotten from Boxycharm over the past 4 years. So if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly subscription service. I have been getting it for 4 years. I started getting it in August of 2014. Seriously, the best monthly subscription service there is. It is totally worth the money. I saw a video from someone, I'll link her channel down below, I forgot her name, but she did a video showing all of the makeup that she had gotten from Boxycharm over the last year, like everything that she had gotten. I was gonna do that, but then I'm like, it's gonna be a real long video. This video is probably gonna be long too. They didn't start putting palettes in the box every month until it was 2016, and it was right around like I think like September 2016 is when they started putting a palette in the box every month. So I'm not gonna go in order because that would require me like going back and literally watching all of my Boxycharm videos over the past 4 years and figuring out how they went in order. So these are gonna be eyeshadow palettes. I've got a brow palette, I've got highlighter palettes, blush palettes, just palettes. I'm gonna show you guys the palettes that I have. I did give some away to people, so I do not have all of them, and there were a few months here and there that I didn't get a box. These are just all the palettes that I still have in my possession, okay? Okay, I'm gonna try to organize this by brand just to make it a little cohesive a little bit. Okay, first palette is from Real Her. This is the Shadow Palette number 2, Do Your Squats. Bam. Another palette from Real Her. This is the Be Fearless, Be Limitless Blush Kit. I'm not a blush person, so I have not used this. I have not given it away to anyone yet. I don't know why. From Tarte, this is the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2 palette. I was so excited to get this. I love these colors in here. Love them. From ColourPop, My Little Pony. There were like 5 different variations of a ColourPop palette that you could get, and I got the My Little Pony one. I actually have 2 colors on my eyes today. Show you if it focuses. I've got this color right here and this purple color. Got a bunch of palettes from Pure. This is the Buff collection. I don't know why I haven't used this more often. I really like the colors in here. Hold on, that's what the packaging looks like. I literally haven't even touched them. It's very similar to the Ulta Rose Gold palette, and I have that palette and used that one, so maybe that's why. Look how pretty. Another palette from Pure. This is the Boxycharm Pure 12-piece eyeshadow palette. I don't know, it doesn't say the name on it. That's the packaging. And those are the colors. Also from Pure, one of my favorite palettes is the Soiree Diaries. I love this packaging with the rose gold and the marble. Super pretty. And these colors are just great. I'm holding them all upside down because I don't want the mirror to blind you. Blind you guys. Don't want it to blind you. Ah! I just dropped one. Okay, also from Pure, this is the Sculptor palette. This is a highlight and contour palette. Pure's got very reflective packaging. So that looks like. Ooh, this smells chocolatey. Makes me want a candy bar. Another palette from Pure. This is the Bronze and Brighten palette in the color Dreamer. This is like, I don't even know this color right here, like what is that? What is that? But this color is pretty, and this bronzer is a little bit too dark for me. From Blink, this is the Electric Eyes palette, and my packaging is kind of wonky, but I do like these colors. Oh, hold on, I'll show you what it looks like on the outside. Yeah, I do like those colors. Oh, I'm blinding you. I'm blinding you. Whoa. We got an Ofra Pro palette. It came with 6 colors. I don't remember which 6 colors, but I've put more colors in there since then. But yeah, that's what this looks like. So I thought that was super cool. This is like a banana powder. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm pretty sure it was this top row and then these 2 colors that came in the palette. These 2 palettes are amazing. These are by Studio Makeup. First we have the On The Go palette. This is the Warm Up one. As you can see, this is filthy. I use this all the time. Oh my gosh, it's so gross. But you can tell I use it. And this is the On The Go Cool Down palette. Equally as dirty. Love these 2 palettes so much. From Crown, this is what we got in our July box. So the most recent box. This is just the Crown Pro palette, I think it's called. I am really, really loving this. These colors are great for summertime. And this is from Crown, oh, Crown Pro. Maybe that's just the name of the company. I don't know what this one's called because there's no name on the back. But yeah, this says Crown Pro Glam Metals palette. Cute, it's got a little guitar mirror. But yeah, those are the colors. We got a brow palette from the Brow Gal. I love this and use this pretty much every day except for today. I used, breathe Vanessa. I used the Cella eyebrow pencil that we got in our July box and it's like way too dark. It doesn't look bad on camera, but in person it's like, you got dark eyebrows. So yeah, I really like this. It's just 3 colors. My packaging broke because I dropped it, but those are the 3 colors. I mix these 2 colors every day. And I love it. From Measurable Difference, we got the concealer collection. I actually had 2 of these because they sent this to me in PR like a while ago, and then I got in Boxycharm. I'm like, whoa, I've only swatched this. I've never used it. I've heard that it's like super waxy to use though. That's what people have told me, but it's got like every color. Like it's great if you do like freelance, I guess. Okay, from IBY Beauty, this is the Three's Company Trio Eyeshadow Palette. And we got another palette from IBY Beauty. I think it was a blush palette, but I remember I gave that away to one of my friends. I don't have it, but I like those colors. Vintage by Jessica Lieberskind. This is the Illuminating Face Highlighter Set, Rose Quartz Chocolate Diamond. I love this. That's what the packaging looks like. Oh, I love it so much. Come on, there's the color. There we go. Oh my gosh, those colors are so great. Okay, from Bella Pierre, this is the Pro Concealer Palette. I have yet to use this, but I did want to keep it because I know someday I'll use it. I can't open it. 20 minutes later, I'm able to open it. So that's what that looks like. Yeah, just a color correcting palette. Have not used it yet, but I did want to keep it around just in case. From Winky Lux, this is the Kitten palette. Super cute packaging, little kittens and flowers. And I really like these colors too. I really like. Another favorite palette of mine is a palette that we got in our June box from Alamar Cosmetics. This is the Reina del Caribe. I don't know, it's just their palette. It's amazing. Love it so much, especially these 2 colors right here. They're gorgeous. 4 more, guys, we're almost done. From Naked Cosmetics, this is the Holographic Highlighter Collection. Like, look at that, whoa, whoa. They look absolutely gorgeous in their little homes, but once they're taken from their homes, they're super chalky, which sucks, like super chalky. The last 3 palettes, these are 3 of my favorite palettes, are the Revealed palettes. So we have the Revealed palette, the Revealed 2, and the Revealed 3. This is the first Revealed palette. Love it. Oh my gosh, it's so gross. I've used it so much, but it's like so nasty. This is the Revealed 2 palette, and then the Revealed 3 palette. Okay, so that is it for this video. Those are all of the palettes that I've gotten from Boxycharm over the last 4 years that I still have in my possession. Again, in my opinion, Boxycharm is totally worth it. It's my favorite monthly subscription service. I've gotten some amazing palettes as well as amazing products in the boxes. If you want to see a separate video showing, I don't know, like maybe I can break it down. Maybe I can do like Boxycharm skincare products that I've gotten, and like Boxycharm makeup products, and then like miscellaneous. Maybe I can do that. Comment down below and let me know if those are videos that you want to see. I will have a link to Boxycharm down below if you guys want to sign up, and I will also link my Boxycharm unboxing playlist down below. It's pretty big. It is 4 years worth of videos every month, or almost every month. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. All right, this is gonna be a fail. I'm gonna attempt to hold all these up for a thumbnail pic. Already wobbling, already dropping, already wobbling, already dropping. All right, hold on. It's not gonna work. This is not gonna work. These are all different shapes and sizes. It's not gonna work. Whew. Mama is sweating because I don't have the air on here. Ah! I think I just broke like 99% of these palettes. Why am I laughing? I don't know. Sometimes when bad things happen, I laugh. I don't know. Did I even get a thumbnail picture? I'm gonna be mad if I didn't. All right, that might be the only casualty we have. That's not really a casualty. Okay, that's good. This is the only casualty, guys. This thing came loose. Can you see? Oh, I think it just pops right out, actually. But none of the shadows are broken. All right.